Okay, so here is the door, and this is what you see when you walk in. Give you guys a nice little overview. So right here I just have this love sign, and I got that at Hobby Lobby. I also got the light cover from Hobby Lobby, and I'll just give you a quick little overview of her room. I just think it's so beautiful. It turned out exactly how I want, and I could not be happier with it. My husband painted the walls this really pretty pink color, and I will have the color listed below. I can't remember it off the top of my head. But let's just start over here. So we have her closet here, and honestly there's like nothing really going on in it. I have a like old pack of diapers that weren't used with Mace, but I'm not going to use that kind with her. I'm going to use the baby Ganix, so I have a box of that, extra wipes, I have some Young Living wipes, my breast pump, some cloth diapers we were gifted, then I have some Young Living Gentle Baby stuff, some more stuff there, and another like car stroller blanket and a little bag for the stroller. Then I just have my wedding dress back there, so nothing too exciting in the closet yet. I'm sure once she gets older it'll get more filled with things. And then right here I have this picture from Hobby Lobby. I just hung next to her crib. Here is her crib, and the crib is from Target, I believe. It's the Fisher Price crib, and it converts to a toddler bed, and I just love this detailing. Like, how pretty is that, you guys? It's just beautiful. So here is her crib, and the bedding is from Target. It's this floral, beautiful bedding, and I think it's by Cloud Island. And then here is the letter P above her bed, which I made with flowers and stuff from Hobby Lobby. So I put that above her bed. I just think it's beautiful. Love it. And then over here, I just have her chair. That chair was actually Mason's, but I thought it would fit perfectly in here. Then I got this little dreamer pillow from Hobby Lobby, and this is another blanket from the Target Cloud Island line. And it also, you know, is double-sided, so I thought that was really cool, like reversible. And I like this floral color. Then I got this picture from Hobby Lobby. Just says, I'm my mommy's world and daddy's girl. Love it. I just can't wait to sit and nurse her and rock her in this corner. I love it. Then here is her window. I just think it's super pretty. Looks so gorgeous with the curtains. They turned out exactly how I wanted. They're beautiful. I wanted some that went all the way to the floor, and they look perfect. Then down here, I have her basket with swaddles, blankets. Her memory blanket for monthly pictures is here, that I got from Spearmint Baby. Another sheet for her crib, some blankets I have. Then I have this white, super fluffy rug that I got from Target. Absolutely love it. It's super soft and it fits the room perfectly. Now this is my absolute favorite. My husband did an amazing job hanging everything, and I think the way that I like set everything up just looks perfect. I love it. So this is her dresser where I'll also change her, and I just love the collage wall. It's like a thing. I just love it. So first over here she has this white shelf, and I don't have anything on it right now, but I figure as I shop for her when she's born, things like that, we'll have little trinkets and stuff to put up there. So here is my collage wall. For now, I just filled this top frame with some cute paper along with the middle frame. This is a picture of Mason laying on my belly. That just melts my heart. I love that picture. And once she's born, we'll fill these frames as well. They all came from Hobby Lobby. The gold heart came from Target along with this shelf. Not sure if I mentioned that. Then this mirror came from Hobby Lobby as well. I just think it's beautiful. And here I just have a P, which I cut out from some fun craft paper made for her. And then I did these frames as well. And I just think it looks really beautiful. And then I got this Rise and Shine Pretty Girl picture from Hobby Lobby. Then I have her little diaper genie there. And her little changing pad. The cover is from Target as well. And then I got this little basket that I'll put like lotions, creams, things like that in. That will be easily accessible to change her, but that stuff's in her diaper bag right now. So then here is her dresser. And I got this from a local shop here that like restores furniture and stuff like that. They did an awesome job on this dresser. So I'll go ahead and show you what's in here because it's fun. So in here, I just have these white bins I got from Target. And these are actually not supposed to be in there. So we have some headbands, bows here, tons of socks, tons of hats, more headbands, and then I just put her little passies and wubba nub in there for now just because, I don't know, I don't like clutter and things sitting out. So there is the top drawer. I'm so excited. Put these little bows on her. Oh my gosh, I just can't wait. So there is that top drawer. Then this top drawer, we just have bibs and burp cloths. Lots of those. Then we have diapers, more diapers, washcloths, and yeah, that's what's going on right there. Moving on down here, I got these really cute gold bins from Target, and here we just have long sleeve sleepers, pants. How cute, you guys. I'm just so excited to dress her, and oh, I can't wait. We've got those there. And in here we have short sleeve onesies and long sleeve onesies, and they're just so cute. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. So we've got those in there. Last drawer, these are some bigger clothes. So all the clothes up in these drawers are newborn and up to 3 months. And then these are 3 to 6 months. 3 to 6 months. So we have pants. These are 6-month pants, 3 to 6 months, I think. And then like a 12-month. 3 to 6 months, 6 months, and then 12. So we've got kind of just a variety going on. And then down here, I have to get a couple more bins, but I just have these placed in here. These are some 12-month clothes, some tights, a little outfit that I got her, and some things that need to be hung. Her little Easter dress, a vest, and a sweater. So those things need to be hung. I just have to get some little hangers for her. So that is her dress. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing our girl's nursery reveal. I'm so excited to bring her home finally and just get her in here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you did. Be sure to subscribe and leave me any comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!